Even though the Women's Health Initiative, which was published in first 2002, said it increases hormones, increase the risk of heart disease, increase the risk of cognitive decline, increase the risk of breast cancer, and increase the risk of death. They have walked back all of those statements. What they say now is that estrogen alone decreases the risk of breast cancer development by 23% and decreases the risk of death from breast cancer by 40%.
You know, of course, women entering menopause today are facing a history of the last 20 years of two movements that have turned them against estrogen. One, of course, the Women's Health Initiative, as Avrum just said, but the other big factor was many women in feminist health circles. So there was this feminist view that was anti-big pharma. It's another plot of big pharma to sell you medications. So women coming into menopause today have those two ideas to overcome. Is it healthy for me? And is it somehow unfeminist or inappropriate of me?